Are you looking for a delicious granola bar recipe that is so simple that you can prepare it with your mini chefs? Then keep watching. Last weekend, I had the total joy of leading these adorable 9 mini chefs in making this granola recipe. They were all ages 3 to 6. And let me tell you, they all did amazing. They all had so much fun. Maybe not all of them. My son didn't enjoy eating them, but if you're liking this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more cooking related content for kids and adults. But anyway, this recipe is so simple and easy and delicious, and the littles had so much fun making it that I just had to jump on here and share it with everybody on YouTube. Let's dive right in. We just have a few simple ingredients. We have coconut oil, vanilla, and pumpkin spice. And then we have sunflower seeds. You can also use another nut like chopped pecans or something like that if you don't have a nut allergy like my son. And then we're going to use some old-fashioned oats. I'm using gluten-free. You can use regular, just make sure they're the old-fashioned rolled kind. Then we're going to use some chia seeds. You could also use hemp seeds instead. We're also going to be using a mini chocolate chip. If you need dairy-free, you can use the Enjoy Life kind. Those are dairy-free. These are just regular milk chocolate mini chocolate chips. You want the mini ones. I just feel like the regular size are just too big. And then we're also going to grab some pure maple syrup and some pumpkin puree. It doesn't have to be organic, but of course, if you want, it's good. So those are our ingredients. And also, I forgot to put it on here, but you also need some salt. Then go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a large mixing bowl and add in all of your dry ingredients, which is going to be 2 cups of oats, half a cup of sunflower seeds, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can go ahead and move that bowl to the side now and get out a medium-sized bowl for the wet ingredients. We're going to add 1/3 cup of maple syrup, half a cup of the pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Just make sure that it's melted. Then you're going to get a whisk or a fork and go ahead and whisk that up pretty well. And then go ahead and grab your dry ingredients that you set to the side. Give them a little mix before pouring the wet ingredients over the top and mixing them up again. This is a great stage to let your mini chef help you out. They love to mix, and we want to make sure that the wet ingredients and dry ingredients get incorporated really well. So this is a good stage to have them help out with that. And then you can go ahead and fold in 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. Next, you can go ahead and get your pan out and line it with parchment paper or spray it. Add in your granola mix, another fun step for your mini chef to help with. And then we're just going to spread it out nice and evenly from rim to rim if possible. And this is best done with your hands. I'll be honest, this is not most of the kids' favorite part. They don't necessarily like the way it feels on their hands, and they're going to want to wash their hands after. Now you can go ahead and pop it in your preheated oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And then pull it out. Go ahead and let it cool for a few minutes, and then you can cut it several lines vertically and 1 horizontally. You can eat them straight out of the oven once they've cooled a little bit, but if you stick them back into the refrigerator or the freezer for a little bit and let them firm up, then they'll hold together a little bit better for you. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe today, and I really hope that you try it out with your mini chef because it is delicious and they will have so much fun.